as you probably know, Instagram allows you to find your contacts and sync them so you can maybe follow them and have interactions with them on Instagram. Now, in some cases, you specifically do not want your contacts to be able to find you on Instagram, or maybe you don't want to find your contacts on Instagram yourself. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do that. In order to do so, you want to head over to settings by tapping on these three lines at the top right corner. And you want to tap on the first one that says Account Center. Now from this list, you want to tap on Your Information and Permissions. As you can see, the last one says Upload Contact, so you want to tap on that and choose the Instagram account that you want. Now, as you can see, my contacts are not connected to my Instagram account. So if you toggle this on, that means your contacts are connected. And if you toggle it off, it says, are you sure you want to disconnect your contacts? Yes, I want to disconnect them. So this way, Instagram will not sync your contacts with your Instagram profile anymore. And if your contacts were already connected to your Instagram profile and some of your relatives or friends have already found your Instagram username, there's basically nothing you can do that will hide your profile from them other than blocking them, or maybe if they already follow you, restrict them in order for them not to be able to leave comments on your posts or maybe send you messages.